In this video, we're going to be looking at the area of a triangle. And previously, we've looked at the area of a square. This is a shape where each side is of the same length, and of a rectangle where this side and that side the same length, and this side and this side the same length. But today we're going to be looking at a triangle and what is the area inside that. So here we have a triangle and it's 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and we usually call this the base. So the bottom bit is the base and the other bit is the height. And although it's sort of flat, we always think about it as sort of standing up with this on a base or a desk or something like that. Now, how on earth do we work out what the area inside is? Well, we know when we've been looking at squares and rectangles that what you do is that you multiply one side by the other side. And we sort of do this. We imagine that if we made another one of these triangles, flipped it upside down and rotated it a bit, it would fit perfectly like this. Better than I've drawn it actually, so it'll fit like that. And this becomes essentially a rectangle. So this is what's happened over here in this diagram. We reproduced this, we flipped it and turned it over, and it formed a rectangle. So now we can treat this as a rectangle just for the moment. So the area of the rectangle is 2, which is the base, times 4, which is the height, which gives us 8 centimeters squared. This 2 here is supposed to be a superscript up there, so please forgive that that little problem of trying to get the superscripted. So if this is the area of the rectangle, which is the area of the triangle? And because this rectangle is double the size of the triangle, all we need to do is to halve it, is to divide it by 2. Now, using the program that I'm using to produce these videos, it's a little bit difficult to get the dividing sign, which is that. So I'm using this slash. So wherever you see a slash like that, it means the same as the division sign, like that. So that means 8 divided by 2, and that produces 4 centimeters squared. So a really useful way of finding out the area of a triangle is to double it, treat it like a rectangle, and then halve the area of the rectangle, and that gives you the area of the triangle. And luckily there's a formula for this. And so the formula for area of a triangle is the base multiplied by the height, all divided by 2. So what I'd like you to do is have a go at this question. What is the area of a triangle with base 5 centimeters and height 10 centimeters? So if you put it on pause, give it a go, and then come back. So hopefully you've given this a go, and all you need to do is to apply this formula over here. So let's have a look at this. What is the area of a triangle with base 5? So here the base would be 5 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. And just wait for get the right color. And we just apply this. So for the base we put 5 times the height, which is 10, over 2. So 5 times 10 equals 50, divided by 2. I'll just carry this on over here, but it's a continuation. So that equals 25. And what's the units? Well, it's centimeters. We're multiplying one of the centimeters by another. So that would be centimetres squared. And hopefully you've got that right.